Symptoms of a bad brake caliper. Brake calipers have a lifespan of up to 100,000 miles, or as long as your car. They are solid, simple structures that don't experience the same kind of wear and tear as pads or discs. However, things can occasionally go wrong. So, how do you tell when your brake caliper has gone bad? Well, let's find out. 1. Fluid leaks. If you've seen brake fluid around your wheels or in the engine compartment, your brake caliper may have developed a leak and is losing fluid. The bleeder screw or piston seal may develop leaks. 2. Uneven brake pad wear. A jammed brake caliper can wear down the brake pad it's pushing on, resulting in uneven wear and tear, similar to when you pull to one side. Even if only one side of the brake pads is worn, it is usually best to have all 4 of them replaced. To function properly, brake pads must be entirely aligned with one another. 3. Reduced braking force. Your car's ability to stop safely will be compromised by a broken brake caliper. Get your braking system checked thoroughly if stopping seems to require additional effort, such as pressing the brake pedal repeatedly. 4. Spongy or mushy brake pedal. Your brake pedal may feel spongy or mushy when you press it if the brake caliper isn't correctly clamped down. Similar to how the pedal can feel spongy, a caliper that is leaking brake fluid can similarly do so. 5. Clunking or rattling noises. The sound of clunking or rattling brake calipers that are loose or that have come apart can get louder as your car passes over bumps. 6. Squealing noises. A screeching, squeaking, or grinding noise may be produced by a stuck caliper that is continuously pressing the brake pads against the braking disc. 7. Hot brake smell or smoke. Due to friction and heat buildup between the brake pads and the disc, a stuck caliper can also result in an unpleasant hot brake smell or even smoke coming from your car. That brings us to the end of the video. These warning signs and symptoms may point to the need for new or used brake calipers. If you found it informative, then make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.